Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous blouse, so let's begin. For this project you'll need about 1.5 meters of fabric, 60 inches wide. I've already gone ahead and folded my fabric. As you can see, I will use a smaller piece of fabric to demonstrate how I folded my main fabric. So you'll fold your fabric in half as shown, but you will fold this the length of your actual blouse. So mine was 26 inches long, and so I folded the top part 26 inches. I'm also demonstrating how we will be cutting the main fabric once we've added the measurements. You will go ahead and cut through the center of the blouse as shown, and then you will add the neckline. And this will be your final pattern before you've obviously stitched it together. So as I've mentioned, the length of my blouse was 26 inches long, and I folded my fabric accordingly. And at the non-folded edge, I marked 11 inches for the sleeves. I then marked my waist measurement, which is your waist measurement divided by 4 plus 1 inch. Then carefully mark 5 inches as shown. Then mark down 10 inches from this point and join these together. Carefully draw out your blouse pattern as shown. Once you're happy, you can carefully cut out your pattern. You can notch the base of the ties to mark the center. And this is how your pattern should now look. Carefully find the center of the blouse and mark it with a pin. Now carefully cut the top layer only through to the center. Now carefully reposition the pattern as shown. Now carefully mark 2 inches from the neckline and 7 inches down. Carefully cut this out. Open up your pattern, and this is how it should look. You can pin the sides. What I'm doing here is creating a curve around the neckline to prevent any hard angles. This will make easier sewing later. Now firstly, create a casing around the sleeve where we will insert the elastic. And carefully stitch the sides of the blouse 3 inches away from the sleeve edge. Repeat this on both sides, and this is how your blouse should now look. Now go ahead and carefully hem the entire blouse, including the front opening. Now measure the elastic around your wrist and cut 2 pieces. Use a safety pin to insert the elastic through the casing around the sleeve. Once you've done this, you can pin and stitch the ends together, securing the elastics as well. And repeat for the other side. Once you've done both sleeves, your blouse is now complete. Now use a belt buckle of your choice to finish the blouse, and this is how it should look. Here's the final look. The blouse turned out really cute. You can make these in various colors. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.